When homeowners think about upgrading their entryways, the focus is often on the door itself, but the frame plays an equally important role. In Love's Park, where homes face changing seasons and varying weather conditions, custom door frames offer both aesthetic and functional benefits that can significantly improve your home's appearance and durability. A custom door frame is designed specifically for your home's structure, ensuring a precise fit that standard, off-the-shelf frames can't always achieve. This tailored approach not only enhances how your door looks but also strengthens how it performs over time. One of the most noticeable benefits of custom door frames is the visual improvement they bring to your home. A properly fitted frame creates clean lines and a polished finish around your entryway. Instead of uneven gaps or mismatched edges, everything appears seamless and intentional. In Love's Park neighborhoods, where curb appeal matters, this attention to detail can make your home stand out in the best way. Custom frames also allow for greater design flexibility. You can choose materials, colors, and finishes that complement your home's exterior and interior style. Whether your home has a traditional, modern, or transitional design, a custom frame helps tie everything together. This creates a cohesive look that enhances the overall aesthetic of your property. Beyond appearance, custom door frames play a crucial role in durability. In Love's Park, homes are exposed to cold winters, warm summers, and occasional moisture. A standard frame that doesn't fit properly may shift or weaken over time under these conditions. Custom frames, however, are built to match your exact doorway, reducing stress on the structure and helping it withstand seasonal changes more effectively. Proper fit also improves energy efficiency. Gaps between the door and frame can allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. A custom door frame eliminates these gaps, creating a tight seal that helps keep warm air inside during the winter and cool air inside during the summer. This not only improves comfort but can also reduce energy costs. Moisture protection is another key advantage. Poorly fitted frames can allow water to seep into your home, leading to issues like rot, mold, or structural damage. Custom frames are installed with precision, along with proper sealing techniques, to prevent moisture intrusion. This is especially important in a climate like Love's Parks, where snow and rain can take a toll on exterior features. Security is also enhanced with a custom door frame. A snug, well-constructed frame provides a stronger foundation for your door and its locking system. This makes it more difficult for intruders to force the door open, giving you added peace of mind. When combined with a high-quality door, a custom frame becomes an essential part of your home's overall security. Another benefit is improved door performance. A door that fits perfectly within its frame opens and closes smoothly, without sticking or misalignment. This makes everyday use more convenient and prevents wear on hinges and hardware. Over time, this contributes to the longevity of both the door and the frame. Custom door frames also help extend the life of your investment. Because they are designed to fit precisely and handle environmental stress, they are less likely to develop issues that require repairs or replacement. This means fewer maintenance concerns and more reliable performance over the years. For homeowners who value long-term results, this durability is a major advantage. Instead of dealing with recurring problems caused by poor fit or material failure, you can enjoy a door system that continues to perform well and look great. Professional installation is key to achieving these benefits. Experienced installers ensure that your custom frame is measured accurately, aligned correctly, and sealed properly. This level of precision is what allows the frame to deliver both aesthetic and functional improvements. Ultimately, custom door frames are more than just a finishing detail. They're a foundational upgrade that enhances your home in multiple ways. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to increasing durability and security, they offer lasting value for homeowners in Love's Park. If you're planning a door replacement or looking to upgrade your entryway, consider the impact a custom door frame can make. With the right design and installation, it's an investment that improves both the look and longevity of your home for years to come.